yeah, that.
Ready?
No, but when you continue talking. I heard that. No, I heard that.
Mira atrás, menos. Yeah, chase. Go, chase him. Go, somebody chase them. Do not let them pass. Hey, come on, V, come on. Ábrete.
Come on.
Let's go, Michael. Stay strong.
Success. Okay.
Movement.
Come on, Carlos. If you can't pick it up, kick it. Success. Kid. Mario, stay in the defense. Pete is moving ahead.
Corner kick, guys. Got to pull back.
Oh, it's good.
Bueno, nosotros tenemos ya.
Prepárate a regresar atrás.
On Wednesday.
I'm going up.
Yeah.
Oh, we need two or four? No, five. Oh, you changed the whole schedule? Yes, Linus, you go. I gotta watch it.
Let's go, Zach.
Come back.
Portero!
Bueno.
No, he meant. Yeah.
Take the control.
Wash it.
From here on your left.
Right.
Randy, you okay?
Alex, try to control the game. We need to take shots.
Rest ball. Okay.
Hey, Jose, take it back, man.
Jose.
Take it back.
Give me.
Yeah, Pete, chase him. Come on.
Okay.
Michael, good. Hey, es que nos echamos más mal al
Alex. Come on. Stop it. Out. Eso, buena.
Alex.
Protect.
Yes. Wait.
Mario, you guys stay in the middle. Let Romy go out ahead.
Within. Why are they going?
That's true, bro. Hey, turn around. Come on, go, Alex.
Get it.
Yeah, good. Chase him, Alex. Chase him. Chase him. He will give you ball. Come on, kid. Come on, chase them. Come on. Do not let them make easy passes. Wait.
Okay.
Pressure. Hey, get that one right there. That's it. Hey.
Hey, get wide. Okay, chase Dennis, chase it. Come on, you can't let them play passes like this. Communicate. Come on.
Nice.
Good, Chelsea, good. Let's go.
Guys, let's go.
Come back.
Vamos, Dani.
¡Qué bueno! ¡Sí me gusta! Come on, Dennis, we need to take these chances, man. Buena.
Buena, José.
Yeah, chase him. Come on. Come on, stay with this guy. Behind. That's fine. Come on.
Tranquilo,
Hey,
José.
no. Get control, guys. You need to take shots, man.
Hey, Harsha.
Hey, Panat. Come on, hit. Not let them get the ball like that. Here. No. Panat. Get control, man.
That's the way. That's the way.
Panat, put it inside.
Hey, if I need a sub, I'm here, bro.
Aye. Come on. Take shot. Hey, come on, guys, communicate. Come on, they are tired already. Okay, our ball. Hit. Mario.
Hey, if y'all need a sub, I'm here. Just saying. No se cansen, tienen un chingo.
Yeah. Yeah. Take out Dennis.
Takes off. Buena.
Con la mano,
Tuya. Hey,
Stay with him,
stay
man.
ready.
Stay with him.
Hey, you got back. You got middle, too. Look up.
Pedro. Close it.
Buena.
Pégale.
Amarilla.
Hey.
¡Sácalo!
Hit the ball, then slid.
Come on.
Need some space.
Alex, God.
Métete, Alex.
Luis, some space.
Vamos, Dani.
Come on, Bernard, stay back.
Nice ball.
Out.
Get it.
Come on, Carlos.
Hey, corner.
Touch it.
Corner,
Hey,
bro.
don't kick it too hard.
Corner.
Good ball, now let's
Come on,
see.
guys.
Kick it softer. Kick it softer, please.
Buena, Alex. Hay que probar.
Yeah. Don't know.
Touch the net.
You got my phone for me.
Dale adentro.
Yeah. Reza.
En la banda.
Come on, guys. Let's go.
Hey.
Michael. Behind you. Robert.
At the ball, let's go. He hit the ball.
Come on, Dennis.
Thank you.
How about?
I got it. Hey, get in the center.
Vamos, Robert, llégale. Vete por el medio, hijo.
It's the way.
Pídala, Fernando, pídala.
Okay.
Easy.
Eso.
It's weird.
Oh.
Good, Carlos.
Pedro.
Now it's another corner.
Presiónalo, Pedro.
You got time.
Pass it.
Atrás, medio.
Man on.
Men on. Come on, Alex.
Vamos, hijo.
Come on.
Yeah, what about that slide?
That's it.
Hey!
Nobody knows that.
That's a slide. Hey, that's a
Hey,
slide. What about that slide?
Nobody's there. Come
Hey,
on.
that's a slide.
Hey, Harsh, you're not supposed to take your phone, man.
You throw his phone. It's crazy with this guy. He just threw his phone. Good goal, man. What's his name?
You're up,
Threw his
Bradley.
phone.
Michael, thank you.
That was a good goal, Michael.
Big bump. Say, good, Michael. Good, thank you. Aplauso. Sí.
Move, guys.
Así, aquí va, mami. Easy. Daddy, go.
Dale. All right, go back. Lock. Go to the lock.
On Thursday. Yeah, we're playing athletic. Catch your breath, man. You're tired, right? We're all in the same. Well, how old are you?
Come on, seguido.
37.
Come on, Brush.
Old 30, man. Take it easy, man.
No, this is right. That's why you throw cooler out.
You're hyperventilating.
That's why they can. So when we used to do 24 hours in a day,
Levanta la cabeza.
you actually just, before running on it, I was just
Wow.
no, it was outside.
Fix the goal.
Yeah.
Hey, fix the goal. Hey, arquero. Mario. La arquería.
Mario,
Apparently, no. Captain says you
Net
gotta
from
go.
midfield. Hey. You said defense. What's going on? Yeah. Busy as always. What about you?
what to change?
To what? Okay.
I did not accept it. Yeah, I'm going to be working with you guys after that.
Really?
I have
Really? Oh, that's nice.
So I develop a model. You know how you have to paint it and draw it and do it. So what I did, you can bring it whole model in. You can edit whatever.
Come on, guys, come back.
That's a good goal. So after that, acting with that with split check.
That's it.
That's it. If it an interference check, that's what
Hey, come on, man.
this will
Nobody.
Oh, nobody slide it, man.
Round edges, just gonna make the round edges. Like you need to know just illuminate to make it. So it's gonna work on it.
And then they do interference.
So currently Cadwin, you know he doesn't have to know all the editing and everything because they can do that by that. After the interference, then
If you are in the game, right? No?
No.
Alex, atrás, Alex.
How they do all the CFD, you can use one. So make it will give you every like human KPIs that you must catch type of thing. Here is airflow, air to the CFM coming from this part. Is there any difference? Like a lot of lab also requested about it, where you know how old all the testing.
All right, guys. Come back.
Good job, Flex.
Run the mistake from there, and then before putting in a run, they can actually run it in a thing.
Aren't they 7? Or 6? Who's the captain?
He said he's gonna score, so I believed in him.
I 5 also.
He said he's gonna play between CR7 and Messi right now. Look at him.
I would have
gonna be. No, I mean,
Hey, don't be scared. Okay, good.
I feel 7 is tough. I feel it's good, but I didn't know it was allowed.
Handball. Okay, play on, guys. Come on, Jonathan, don't let him pass it. Okay, good. Come on. Afghan sir. Come on, play on. It's not a bad foul, man.
What was the foul for?
I don't know.
Was that part of the game?
I don't know. Let's go.
How was that foul? Hey, Harsh, how was that a foul?
Yeah, I know, but let's just go.
Talked about this a whole bunch. Show him the video.
Yeah, I mean, right now, let's go. Hey, open up! Man on. Keith, run! Come on, man!
Oh, really? Both goals. Left side was on the right was on the left. I don't know how they even set that up. I'll be alright.
Aquí, way! Open up también.
You guys never done it? Yeah. Like we do it regularly. We got used to it. Yeah. But it is pretty good ball. Yeah, it is a ball.
Go! Hey! Come on, man!
That is so clean.
Come on, man!
Okay, go.
I didn't see it.
Come on!
What? Left is
Come on, man!
Hey, come on, guys, play on. Come on, play on. Third.
Nice back.
Porque estás como pendiente de que... Ya, ¿no ves? Ahí empezaron.
Se defiende eso, Romero.
Te la montan. Yo también la vuelvo loco.
Déjala ahí.
Ah, Ramir, play back, man.
Pégale, no jodas.
Talento, güey. Kid.
Athletic. French day. I hope we win that one. I really hope we win that one.
Tuya.
All the players? I don't know yet. I wanted to confirm the day.
Hey, goalie, get closer. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, kid. Hey, kid. Tuya, no te haces.
Dale, Pedro, go.
Come on, Dinus.
Shoot that hole.
Come on. Hey, Dinus, look up.
Media.
Dale, Michael.
Come on, Jonathan, go.
Uno.
Stay in front. There you go.
Nice.
Vamos, Dani, pressure.
Nice job.
Eso.
Stop back, Dennis.
Acá, güey.
I need to take this guy out.
Buena.
Keith, run.
Oh, I feel bad.
No,
Really?
You're trying hard.
I was
Kid,
trying hard.
kid.
I mean, I love you guys.
Yeah.
You guys are my
Kid.
friends as well, but like,
Woo.
they were so over.
Kid.
Really close.
Hey, güey, siguiente cambio, aquí estoy.
Like, they didn't. But, I mean, I was surprised. They went to the game.
Come on, Roman.
Go, Pedro, go.
No.
No.
Nice. Stay in front of.
There you go. That's good D, Dennis.
Come on. Good job.
Media, quítale media.
Trap it.
Take your time. Ah. Kid. Come on, Jonathan.
Who's he running?
Play middle.
Oh,
Look up.
Come on, play on. Come on, play on.
yeah, de ahí.
Shot. Come on, kid. Good job.
Buena con esa comba,
Kid. You wanna submit?
We just.
Eso, verga.
We were.
Who, Roman?
Yeah, I don't know what happened.
Dude, like, honestly.
I was there to watch that.
It was just bad. Our defense.
Hey, good shot.
Good defense, Dennis.
Bad.
Come on, pressure.
Arriba.
Jali. Throw it. Come on, man, throw. Come on. Carlos.
And then we counted on Ryan
Jimmy, with hands.
and Hassan.
Llégale.
Grab it.
Ryan, they kept, I think, like, going in.
Epa.
Back down.
Hey, come on.
That's only when you touch with the hands, bro.
I don't know. So Ryan stopped him. Hassan keeps forward. So it's really bad.
Back door, Dennis.
Come on, man. He beats. Hey,
Behind you,
guys,
Dennis.
play on the football, okay? Stop complaining.
And then that's it. Like, we got
He missed the ball.
First 10 minutes of 4-0.
Yeah. I'm like, what the heck? Like, that was just, because we counted on the wrong people for D. It was just, and then we put the other new guy. So how? The guy in blue. So we didn't know how good he was. We had no clue. And he was very bad in D.
Should have changed the goal.
Oh, we didn't have a goalkeeper. What happened was, so our goalkeeper, his knee hurt. So his knee hurt.
Come on.
And then
Fast.
so we thought he was like-
Fast.
Hey, Vinny, let's go.
Come on, Carlos.
So I told him, like, hey, there. You don't need to show him.
Open up. Get wide.
Come on, kid. Chase him.
450.
Man, just don't stay there.
He's like, yeah, but my cell phone is not working. Like, most of it is the white space. We need to go to the Apple store. So we lost Alman and we lost Tyler. So it's like, I had Khaled on Omar, they would have lost their goal. But it was a mistake. We counted on
I think he should have gone.
me? No, I'm terrible. Like when I played
ABCD was fine.
nah, that guy scored 3 goals in me in like 2 minutes. I'm not the best because I don't have proper reflexes. So like goalie, you really need to be very quick reflexes.
And you underestimate the position of the goal.
No, you need it. I mean, I have two very good goalies. I have Khaled and Omar. And even Fernandez.
Hey, drop more back, Aka. Drop more back.
Last game, I don't know what happened to him.
Good, Dinus.
Come on, man on.
I made a mistake. I should have, after the first goal, I should have went for D right away.
Why not?
Right away. Take them out, play D.
Good, Abdul.
Play back.
Listen, man.
Pressure,
So
pressure.
hopefully we win.
Romer, play back.
I think honestly, like,
How do you say that in Spanish? They have minus 14.
I told Nicole today.
That's a gift.
I told Nicole, I'm like, hey, sorry, Nicole, like we really need the goal differential because we're already minus.
Wait.
We're -7 ourselves. So I'm like, we really need it.
They're gonna go minus 20 matches.
I mean, I told him score a game, I told him like, I told Nicole like, don't get we really need the goal differential. But I hope we don't lose. Like, you know. Let's see who shows up for our game. But I think Ryan is upset. I think like people were like pushing him the last game.
Come on, V.
And then the referee wasn't calling it because like Kelly was
Alex, there you go.
Hey, Alex.
Vamos, ya ataca con el cuerpo, muchachos, vamos.
Eso trae nada. Shoot. Come on, kid.
Drop Dinus.
Somebody help.
There you go.
Eso, güey. Adentro, güey.
That was a good strike. I mean, they lost.
Get it.
Hey, come on, kid. Take shot, man. Handball. Corner, bro. Kid. Corner, way. Did you still go? Hey, kid. Corner, bang. Corner.
She was kicking. She's good. He gave her a I'm like,
Jonathan, que no se te vaya.
she was laughing. She's like, we'll go with what the referee said.
Of course, you
Yeah.
Get that away.
Make mistakes.
Alex.
We really played
Mario.
the first 10 minutes. 10 minutes, we set 3-0.
Go fast, man. Go fast.
4-0, 10 minutes. So it's like, it was on us.
Hey,
Then
do
second
those
half,
passes, Mario.
played better because you guys scored one.
No, we scored 2.
Oh yeah, two.
Well,
Hey, come on, kid. Que buena. Take control, man.
the ball went in and then went out. So it was like, this is the net, so this is the goal. The ball was here, and I was here. So it really went like,
Come on, kid. Come on. Kid, come on, play on. Come on, kid, play on, man. Eso, güey, Alexis.
Michael. You practice it, you shot.
Hey, you got back. Kelly. Go, kid. Chase.
Open it up, Michael. Yeah.
Man on.
no, he
Yeah, wait, not as aggressive.
not as aggressive.
Come on, man. It was not. Yeah.
Goal, man.
Man, he didn't move his hand.
Handball.
He didn't move his hand. Come on. Okay. Let's go. Kid, let's go. Let's go.
I didn't think
No, he was like this.
Jose.
There we go. Don't see
Come on, control.
I know.
Come on, come on. Play on, play on, play on, play on.
I saw him now. They're meeting right now.
Come on, come on, come on, come on.
Así, José, así.
No, easy.
Good for them. I mean,
Dennis, you good?
José.
Are you tired?
Ahí va.
That's the way.
they were trying hard.
They didn't give us. Hey, Dennis, go back, go back, go back. Shoot the hole. Come on, kids.
Look around, look
No, I was collecting the balls like this.
Abdul, get one.
Man on, man on, man on, man on.
Oh, okay. So I was running every time you guys
Abdul,
the
get
ball,
one.
was
Alex,
collecting
come
the
back.
ball. So
Hey, sliding tackle! Hey! Yeah, this is not sliding tackle now.
Yeah, even last match.
Abdul, mátalo con la comba aquí.
Come on, Jonathan, kid, make this count.
Way la way.
Shoot. Okay.
Let's
Nice.
go.
We need somebody in defense. He's defending now. Huh?
Go.
No, you guys played very well. You guys had
Alex, make it count, man. One go.
Who's the captain?
Come on, come on.
Hey! Hey! Got one play like that. Huh?
Come on, come on, come on, guys. Come on, guys.
Flip the ball, man.
Okay, guys, say it.
How about, how about? Come on.
Súbelo, Mario. Súbelo, que se sube.
Play fast. Play early.
Así, papá. Así, José. Saca los balones.
Buena.
Muy buena, Sosi. Good, Sosi.
He played good in the first half. I mean, he was running all over the place the first 5 minutes. He was still running.
Aye. Pressure, pressure. Buena.
Hold the ball. Hey, kid, oh yeah.
Come on, kid, run.
You got it, Michael!
Hey. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Play on, play on.
Yeah, second!
We play on a side, play on a side, play on a side, play on a side. Don't play high, don't play high. Do not play high, play on a side. Come on.
Come back.
Come back, V. Let it go, let it go.
You need to change speed.
Man, he's not coming out. You tell him. I'm telling him from like 5 minutes. You need to tell him. I'm telling him from last 5 minutes.
Okay.
Shoot it, shoot it.
Come on. Go.
Aye.
Buena, José. Pásala a Cosi, a Cosi. Alex.
Pégale, güey, pégale, pégale. Pégale, güey.
Now you really can't
Gana.
remember.
Búscala, Mario. Eso es.
Gana.
Al ladito.
Come on, Keith, run. Make those runs, man.
Koi Jones, Harsh,
Kid.
we need someone to run over there. Yes.
You can play defense in place of Dennis.
Eso, Dani. Nice, Jimmy, nice. Buena, Vi. Go ahead, Dani.
Kelly, go, Kelly.
Don't worry.
Get a shot.
No, Vi.
Kid.
Uno, eh.
Kid.
Marca uno.
Kid. Take 2 minutes rest, man.
Yair, quédate en una posición, no te corras tanto.
Jonathan, no llueve.
Atrás, eh. Jonathan, push up.
Hey, we might need to
He's
play
taking
up.
the best player.
One more time.
This guy is That's what I'm saying. Like, we should like stay 14, man. Like, we can make exceptions. Like,
Like,
With Kelly. Eso.
Get it, Harsh.
Súbela. Eso. Creo que es mucho, pero...
Hey!
Come on, man. Let's shoulder to shoulder, bro. Come on. Let's shoulder to shoulder.
I think so.
Se le fue, está callado.
Kelly, open it up.
I took like very wrong decisions in the last match. When I saw the video,
It's difficult to see. I mean, really games have multiple.
Hey, use your hands.
It's okay, Jimmy.
It was
Come on.
kick the goalie.
Mario, define, Mario.
yeah,
Come on, hit hard, man.
but they don't have any other option. It's like last 2 minutes now. They have to.
Take your time, Jose.
Set tuyo, Robert.
Come on, Jonathan, go up, pull up, one down here, put the ball in, move the ball up.
Set tuyo, Robert. Set tuyo, no vean ahora. Mano. Llévale, Mario.
Llévala, José, llévala. Sigue. Regresa.
Medio ahí.
Go in.
Tírala, ya ninguna chota, no tenemos el tiempo.
Oh my God.
Field goal.
He's upset, but that's crazy.
Hey, no way.
You didn't hear that. He said, fuck you. You didn't hear that. You didn't hear it.
Hey, guys, like to play.
Oh, shit.
Harsh. Vamos, yo, take care of it.
Hey. Move. What's your name? Hey, DK. Hey, V. Come here, V. Come on. No, you want to, hey, come on, V. Play soccer, man. Don't worry about all that talking shit, man. He's talking to me.
Hey, wait, Bernard.
Yeah, that guy.
He got nothing. Look, if I play, he got nothing. See that?
Yeah.
Go, we got number.
He got nothing, man.
Métale cuerpo, hijo.
You're lucky you play
Vamos,
with.
arriba.
I've got a lot of stamina, bro. How'd it go?
I was still pushing for it. Like, no, go back in.
Chop.
Came out.
He came.
What is? Oh, he's going.
Took out our own guys.
They're really trying hard.
Right behind you! Right behind!
Jair, con cuidado ahí. No dejes que le pegue.
Kelly was asking us to play also.
Eso, José.
We have. They get tired.
How many players did you have last time? 10 players? Oh, that's good. So you had like 4?
Defense.
Everybody gets
Yeah,
especially in our team.
Hey, Luis.
the only thing is, really, it depends on
Pégale, Dani.
He gets it to go.
oh shit.
Hey man.
No rush it.
Pégale, no. Did you guys see the way we were trying to, I guess, press them and force them outside? That is what we need to do. I unfortunately do not have stamina. It's wall and all. Some of you guys do.
He's the best player. This guy from on
Okay,
Good pressure.
we need that.
Luis, what's up?
Go. Come on. Con la comba,
Buena, putero.
Alex play. Yeah. Easy. You didn't tell us you were coming off.
Baja, José, baja.
Get that ball.
Aquí.
Easy.
Buena.
Run him on. Oh, wait, it's the end of the game. Yeah. It's a good match. I mean, we didn't convert our opportunities. Like, our first touches down at the goal area are shit.
Good game, man.
Nice. Like, you just barely touched that and just fucking blasted it.